What's going on, guys? It is your boy, Mr. Noland here. All right, guys, I'm being serious here. I'm about to quit my day job as a teacher. I'm sorry, guys. Bad news, I am about to quit my job. I'm going to be a comedian because I got some amazing jokes that aren't funny. So here's my joke for the day. What do you call a rabbit that has fleas? Again, what do you call a rabbit that has fleas? Bugs Bunny. All right, enough of that. I almost laughed. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. And today we are going to be talking about solving one-step equations with addition and subtraction. Now I'm going to start off with the problem here. I want to see what you get. Let's say some unknown number g plus 4 equals 7. Well, what is the value of g? And some are like, it's 3. Well, yes, it is 3. And you're like, wow, Mr. Noland, math is easy. I'm like, yes, it is. But some of y'all are able to do that in your head. But I'm going to show you mathematically how we do it because we're going to see some problems that are a lot harder than this. So here we go. First things first. Solving one-step equations with addition and subtraction. An equation is a math sentence that does contain an equal sign. So guys, equations have equal signs. I'm saying that because next week we're going to be going into inequalities, which is different. All right, the goal of solving an equation is to find the value of the variable. Guys, a variable is a letter that represents a number. I'm going to write that off to the side. You don't have to if you don't want to. So a variable is a letter that represents a number. We do this by isolating the variable or letter on one side of the equation using the inverse operation. Guys, what is the inverse or opposite of addition? Subtraction. Well, what's the inverse or opposite of subtraction? Addition. That's literally it. You're just doing the opposite operation. So, here's a couple of examples that we have. The first one says John has X apples. If he adds 5 apples to his pile, he will have 8 apples. What is the value of X? X represents the number of apples he adds plus the 5 he already has equals 8 total. Well, guys, notice what they did here. What's the opposite of adding 5? Well, subtracting 5. Well, guys, guess what right here? 5 minus 5. That leaves a remainder of 0. This is called a zero pair. It zeroes out. It's gone. And then 8 minus 5 is 3. So the answer is X equals 3. All right, let's try a couple of examples on our own. So we have X plus 2 equals 10. We're trying to get X by itself. The opposite of adding 2 is subtracting 2. What you do to one side of the equal sign, you have to do over here. Notice how I subtracted 2 from the left side? You have to subtract 2 from the right side. Well, check it out, guys. 2 minus 2 left 0. This is a zero pair. It cancels out. We'll do the math here, guys. What's 10 minus 2? Well, 8. So the answer is X equals 8. Now plug your answer in to see if it works. You said X is 8. Is 8 plus 2 equal to 10? Yes, it is. That's the correct answer. Nice and easy. 2 more. Y take away 8 equals 15. The inverse of subtracting 8 is to add 8. Again, what you do to one side, you have to do to the other. 8 minus 8 zeroes out, so it's gone. It leaves you with your y. 15 plus 8 is 23. So y equals 23. Plug it in just to make sure. You said y is 23. 23 minus 8, is that 15? Yes, it is. So that's a good answer. All right, last one. Let's see how we do here. A plus 9 equals 2. So we're solving for A. The inverse of adding 9 is subtracting 9. Ooh, wow, this one's going to be slightly different. Well, first, 9 minus 9 zeroes out. That's my zero pair. Now, what do I have more of? Positives or negatives? I have more negatives, so the answer is negative. And since the signs are different, you subtract the numbers. 9 minus 2 will give you 7. So the answer should be negative 7. All right, let's plug it in. Negative 7 plus 9, or just rewrite it. Isn't 9 minus 7 equivalent to 2? Yes, it is. So it works. All right, guys, I hope this video helps. I will talk to y'all later. Bye, guys.